Okay, so if you open the LabView, you'll get this interface. You can either create a project. That's somewhat overkill for the majority of the programming you're doing here. Basically, we're just constructing single VIs in your case. So typically, I'll just say file new VI. So that just creates a blank VI. Control T, as I said, orders the interface. So you've got the front panel on the left and the block diagram on the right. And let's say I wanted to insert a control in the front panel. Again, I just right-click anywhere on the gray area, and then I've got access to all kinds of things. Let's have a numeric control. So I've got a number there, and let's create an output. So again, I can go into the numeric option and choose a numeric indicator. Again, you can see these arrows on the controls, and they're not present on the indicators. So now I've got these two numbers, and something should happen in between these two numbers. But just for simplicity's sake, I'll just connect these two, and if I run it continuously, whatever I do on the input side is reflected on the output side. Now I could just delete this wire and say I want to insert something along the line of, let's say, a square root. So again, I just right-click on the white part, go into whichever menu I'd like, and say, well, actually, I want to take the square root of the number. And again, click on the terminal and connect the two. And now, whenever I run it, I'll get the square root of the number on the right. Let's say that I actually was a little bit lazy and I didn't have the output. Now you can see I've got a bad wire. Again, Control B removes the wire. But let's say I wanted an output here. As I said, you can right-click on a terminal and create a indicator. And then we get this nice little indicator, and actually now it's named according to what this function does. So once more, it'll just show the square root of my number. Likewise, if I wanted to create another indicator, I could just actually, I can't choose which indicator, sorry. Now we'll go into the front panel. And let's say I wanted a a graphic representation of what I'm entering, and let's just call it a meter. Again, it's completely the same thing. So whatever I do here will just be reflected on a graphical scale. So it's somewhat easy. Again, to order it all, I can use this little broom and clean it all up. So it just moves it all around so it's nice and tidy. And that's basically it for now, anyways.